Welcome to another customer testimonial brought to you by
Hey everybody, this is Eric Brinkman with Window Depot USA. I'm here with our customer Lance Nicodemus. He agreed to go ahead and give us a video testimony, and we appreciate that. So Lance, the first question I'd like to ask is, how was the sales process when your representative came out?
He was very nice and very cordial, and we sat down and we had a good conversation, and everything went smooth and easy. That was the main thing, was easy.
Low pressure?
Low pressure, absolutely.
Great.
Yep.
And then, so when the guys came out and did the install, Randy, Chris, and the other guy, how did they treat your guys' house and how they do?
It was, we had music going, it was calm, it was just, I came in from work and everybody's just laughing and carrying on, and it was friendly and just, I don't know what the word is I'm looking for, just easy going.
Nice, great. Did a great job for you too?
Excellent.
And you guys were definitely happy with the install then?
Yes.
And so the last question I'd like to ask you is, would you refer us to your friends and family?
Absolutely, 100%. These
Nice.
guys are awesome.
Great. Well, Lance, we
right.
appreciate your business.
Thank you.
Thank you, and we'll see you again because we already know you got some on order.
Absolutely.
Thanks, everybody.
All right.